What are you doing, buddy? You act like you never seen any moving water before. You've been at the bottom of the little tiny waterfall a bazillion times. That's why it looks like the Black Lagoon. Well, that was almost a jump. A jump would be far more epic. The geezers found their little tasty treats from weeding the front garden. They're having a grand old time, right guys? Yeah. Yeah, guys. Sorry. I will give you space. Enjoy the green things. Oh,